Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we break down everyday money management tricks. Today, we're tackling how to set up autopay for your Capital One card on the app, perfect for staying on top of payments in 2025. With autopay, you can wave goodbye to late fees and hello to peace of mind, as it automatically deducts your bill from your linked account. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Capital One mobile app installed. If not, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account first. After logging in, head to the dashboard where you'll see your credit card overview. Tap on the card you want to set up for autopay. Look for the Payments or Manage Account tab. It's usually at the top or in a menu. This is where the magic happens. In the Payments section, find and select the Autopay option. You'll be asked to link a bank account if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely add your bank details, which might involve verifying with your bank's login or one-time code. Now, customize your autopay settings. Choose whether you want to pay the minimum due, the full balance, or a specific amount. Set the payment frequency, like monthly on the due date, and double-check the details for accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Activate. You might receive a confirmation email or text. Keep an eye out for that. And just like that, your autopay is set up. A quick tip: always review your account statements periodically to ensure payments are processing correctly, and if you need to change anything, you can do so easily in the app. If you encounter any hiccups, Capital One's support team is just a chat away. Thanks for watching. If this guide saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 finance hacks. See you in the next video.